Yes, there it goes. C, I, lift it up to the corner. E first. E, N, good. Up the top, C and E. That's focused. Nice work. So we're doing some science, S-C-I-E-N-C-E. We're going to do some experiments, okay? So the first thing we're going to talk about is, we don't need to do this much walking now. We're going to get it closer to you. The first thing we're going to talk about is a thing called inertia. So we're talking about a thing called, what? It's a new word, a little higher. What do we say? It's inertia, so it's I. I-N, lift it up. I-N. Now it's onto the corner. Way up high. E and E, then where do you go? One letter down. R. Now shut.
Net.
One letter off. Right here.
Shut.
T and look what we're doing. One down below. I and A. There we go. Inertia. So inertia is when we talked about matter. Did we talk about matter last time? We did, right?
No, we didn't do matter.
We didn't do matter. What did we do? Was it Caesar?
Yes.
Oh, okay. I gotta teach you about matter first. Excuse me. Okay. Well, we'll do this experiment and I'll teach you about it. Okay, look at this. Here's my cup. Here's my paper. And here's my coin. What is on top of the paper?
The paper.
That, lift it up higher. C, O, lift it up. I and N. Yes, the coin is on top of the paper. Now, what's going to happen, do you think, when I yank this paper out to that coin? What's the coin? The coin is going to, what do you think? Tell me. M? Is going to M. You can make it real work. I. M-I. N. M-I-N. Do you want D or I? Lift your hand. I is going to mini. So you think it's going to get smaller, the coin? Yes, it is. No, it isn't. Okay. Hold it. Pass it properly. Yes or no? That's an S? Good. Yes. Y for yes, N for no. Y. A little higher. Y. Then up to the top. E. S. Okay, so if you say yes, we'll proceed. If you say no, that's fine. We'll figure it out. So you think this coin is going to get smaller? I doubt that you think that. Okay. So I'm going to yank this out. Watch what happens. Watch it. Watch it. Watch it. What happened? Did it get smaller?
Yes.
Yes, it did, or no, it didn't?
No.
And, oh no, it did not get smaller. What happened? The coin?
Fell.
The coin fell.
Fell.
All right, do we spell fell here now? Fell. F, up to E, and L-L. The coin fell. It dropped. You know what force made it drop? Called the force of gravity. G-R-A-V-I-T-Y. Why did it drop? Because of the force of, careful, one letter up, one letter over. Think about it. Force of what? Look it up. G, there we go. Now, look at it. G and G. R, now A. Up to it. A, now ditty. Down to it. Over,
Oh
V. Good, now itty. Up to it. I and T and down to it. Y, yes. The force of gravity. Okay? So, it drops right inside of it. The force of gravity. Did it go flying away?
It fell.
It fell. But did it fly over there?
No.
No. Okay. So, this is because of a thing called inertia, which means an object wants to rest. Don't you want to? Right now your body says it wants to rest. Inertia means the object wants to focus. R is right. R is right. You had it. R. Up to it. E and down to it. Oops. R, you have to spell rest. R-E. Now S and T. There you go. Yes, the object wants to rest. And so it did. But because there's gravity, it didn't stay there. Watch it again. Ready? Wait for it. Wait for it. Same thing. Now what would happen if I did it slow? Different, huh? And if I yank it really fast.
It fell.
Yes, now you try it. You try it, okay? Try it. You drop it there. You don't have to drop it, you just pull it straight out, watch. You just yank it straight out. Or you can flip like this. That didn't work too well. I guess it doesn't give us different force. When I flip it, because it flipped the paper. But you have to keep that paper straight. Oops. Then it falls. You try it again. You can also dump it there, huh? So I didn't dump it, I pulled it straight out though, but that's kind of what it is. Just pull it. There it is. Keep it there. Okay. All right. So. Okay. So I just pulled it straight out, a little bit different. But I didn't dump it in there. It just dropped because of gravity. I pulled it right up there and it dropped down. Okay, so that's inertia. I'm going to teach you a bit about matter. So you have time to teach you about matter. Okay, so we're going to talk about matter. M-A-T-T-E-R.
Focus.
We're talking about what? Go ahead. M, good. A and T-T and E and R. Yes, talk about matter. Matter
Focus.
is everything in this world. Everything in this world is made of matter. So what's made of matter?
Focus.
Oops, careful. Fix it. E and down. E. Oh, look about it. Start again. What's made of matter? Up the top. E. Then E and down to the bottom. Oopsies. V. E, V. Focus all the top. Whoa! How do you spell this word? V up the top. There we go. E. Ev. Now we're doing re. R and, oops, re. Sometimes it has different letters. Every, Y. Every what?
Everything.
Yeah, there you go. T, H, I, N, and G. Yes. Everything.
Focus.
Yes. So everything is made out of matter. Is air made out of matter? Wait. Is air made out of matter? Focus. Right here. Hold it and point. Think about it. Is air made out of matter? That's not an answer. How could TS be an answer? Think about it. Yeah, think about it. Is air made out of matter? Yes, it is, or no, it isn't. Y, lift it up. E, there we go. S, that's an answer. Yes, air is made of matter. Let's see. Matter has to have mass. That means stuff and space. Take up space. If it's matter, it has to have what? It has to have.
Focus.
One letter off. This way. M and A, then mass. Yes. Mass, and it has to take up what?
Focus.
S and P. Good. All the way up there. A, then C, and all the way there. E, yes, it has to have mass and take up space. So, right here I have a special bag. We're going to see if air really is matter, because I can't see air. Can you see air?
Yes.
You can see air?
No.
No, me neither. In the cold I can. See my breath? Okay, now watch. Watch. So this bag has air in it. Would you agree?
Yes.
Okay. So here you go. Now, what happened to this bag? Can I touch it? Yeah, touch it. Just like that. Not too hard. There you go. Okay. So inside I have air. So it's taking up space, therefore, and it has mass, therefore, right? So what happened to my bag when I held it together? Did it go flat? Did it go flat? Oops, answer that. Yes or no? And oh no, it didn't go flat. It was filled with. It was filled with. You're doing your own A. Look that up. Wait, what are you spelling there? Come back to A. A and I and now look at it. Spell right now. A-I-R again. A-I-R. Yes. It was filled with mass. Mass is air. So if it was flat, we'd know that there was nothing inside of it. It would be taking up space. Because something's inside of it, we know that air is matter. Okay, let's see if that's really true though. I don't know. So what I have here is a cup with water in it. I'm going to squeeze this out. Actually, I need a little more, but that'll work for now. Okay? So, get a new cup here. Now, I'm going to take this piece of paper. How's the paper feel to you? Touch it.
Good.
Feels good to you? All right. Is it wet?
No.
Okay. It is dry, right? So let's sprinkle it up. Sprinkle it into a ball for me. Make a ball of the paper. Okay. All into a ball. We're going to put this in here. Okay, so put it in a ball here. Okay, now watch. Watch. Now it's dry. Touch it again. Make sure it's dry. Touch it. Touch it. Poke your finger in there. Okay, it's dry. The paper is what? The paper is dry. D, R, and Y. The paper is dry. Yes. Okay, now watch it. Watch this. Now put it straight in. What do you think is going to happen when I put this into water?
It will get wet.
Okay, yes, wet. W-E-T. Let's see. Let's see if it's going to. Okay, ready? Watch for it. Watch for it. It's in the water. Okay, now touch it. Is it wet?
Yes.
Feel it. Go like that. Whoa, wait. What is that? The paper is still
Wet.
Look at it. This paper is still wet. Feel that. Feel the paper. Is it wet?
It's dry.
It's dry. So we spelled that. The paper is still
Dry.
D, R, and Y. Yeah, the paper's still dry. What happened? When we put this down, I put it straight down. I put this side, it wouldn't avert, but I put it straight down. It trapped the air inside of it, and so the air blocked it from getting wet. So we know airs matter. So I'm going to do it again. Straight down in. Fingers got wet. Fill it again. The paper's still dry. So it went all the way in there. The outside of the cup got wet, but not inside of it, because there's air in it. So
It's
we learned that
What does focus mean?
air
What is
Takes-
focus?
up. Air takes up what?
That scared me.
Yeah, we're talking about matter. Air takes up what?
Here's a focus.
M can work. M, all right. A and S takes up mass or is mass.
Focus.
Or takes up what? The mass of the air takes up what? S, good. P, good. Lift it. A, C first. C and then your E. Yes. Or space. Good. The air takes up space, and so that's why I didn't get wet. Now, here we have this piece of the paper right here, right? And take this paper. I'm going to fold it. When you have matter, you can have it in different states. We probably won't have to, we'll have to finish this lesson next session. States or phases. So matter comes in different phases or different, what else can you call it? S, good. T, up to it. A, down. T, all the way into it. Wait, S, T, A, you're right on track. A, T, E, there we go. States. So there's many types of states in the universe. And many different types of states in the, down to it. U, lift it, up a little higher. Go back to U. U and, lift it up. Yoon, there we go, yoon. Yoon, UN. Now, inverse. Inverse. Where's your I sound? Lift it. Not eh. Yoon, now verse. V and now ers. Oops, So U-N-I-V. Now we're going to do It makes E-R, makes the sound. E and R, S and E, yes. The universe. So the universe, Give me a word that goes with the universe.